So guys, welcome to Faizan Zahid Academy official YouTube channel, and today's video is going to be about University of Pisa online application form. As University of Pisa has opened admissions for Intake 2024, so go to Google, write University of Pisa, click on this English link. Simply you can see the interface like this, and simply click on program start in English. Okay, after that you can see the interface like this. Now according to your choice, you can click on, if you want to go for bachelor's, you can click on bachelor's degree program. If you want to go for master's, you can simply click on master's degree program. So here I click on master's degree program. Okay, so you can see the interface like this. Now simply click on application to a master's degree program. So here, if you have already registered account on this website, you can simply put your credentials and log in. If you don't have, you can click on registration procedure. Okay, so here simply you have to put your all required data and register yourself, and simply you have to put your data first, which is required, and simply then click on save option, which is mentioned in green color. Okay, so after that you can see the interface like this. After clicking on save, you can see the interface like this. Now go to on that email which you have written for registration. Now click on that link, and here you can choose your own password by your own choice. Okay, so set your password here to register your account on this website. So your account is registered. Now simply access the portal. Click on access the portal. Here it will show you all the details which you have put for your registration of your account. Now simply click on list of applications. Okay, after clicking on list of applications, you can simply click on list of open calls for applications. Now click on it, and now here you can see all the programs for masters which are offered in this university. Okay, so you can apply any of the program which is mentioned with application open. Okay, application status open are the programs which are open for registration. So for example, I want to apply in artificial intelligence and data engineering. Simply click on this. Okay, now you can see the interface. Click on proceed. Here simply you have to put your required data on the screen. List of your qualification, type of your degree, your recent education, bachelor's if you are going for master's, the name of your degree, and the duration of your degree, your cumulative CGPA which you have obtained. For example, degree obtained. If your degree is completed, you can simply click on yes. If it's in progress, you can click on no. Okay, the country of your degree. Select your institute here from where you got your bachelor's, and all the necessary details. Okay, here you can upload your transcript. Here you can upload your degree certificate, and then click on save. So after clicking on save, you can see the interface and click on proceed. Okay, so here you have to upload your identification document, your CV, and your English language proficiency, your IELTS or your English language proficiency issued by your previous institute. Click on save and then click on proceed. Okay, so here you can see all your data which you have put for your admission application form for your desired program. Okay, now simply click on proceed, and here again you have to upload your identification document, your CV, and again your English language knowledge, IELTS or your English language proficiency. Okay, so after uploading these documents, you can simply click on final submission. So after final submission, your application form will be submitted So this was our today's video. Thanks for watching.